Litika.
Hey friends! Today we have some guests coming over and we're going to make some yummy food for them. Before we start cooking, let me introduce you to our guests. First, we have Luna. Welcome, Luna. Next, we have Whitey the White Horse. Greetings, Whitey. Then we have Anna. Please come on in. And last but not least, the adorable little kitty. Now, let's get cooking. We're making a delicious vegetable soup. First, we'll fill up the pot with water. Next, we'll clean up the vegetables. This is a carrot. Carrots are sweet and orange, and they're packed with vitamin A, which is great for our eyesight. This is a green paprika. These paprikas can also be red or yellow. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps us stay healthy and strong. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkins are orange and soft on the inside. We can use them to make pumpkin soup or pumpkin pie. Let's add some tomatoes. Tomatoes are juicy and can be red, yellow, green, or even orange depending on how ripe they are. We can cut them into small pieces and add them to our salads or make delicious salsa with them. And for the last vegetable, we'll add broccoli. Broccoli is green and looks like small trees. You might not like the smell of broccoli, but they're really healthy and packed with fibers and vitamins. All right, we've added all the vegetables to the pot. Now, we'll add some salt and pepper. Let's put it on the stove. Here we can turn the stove on. Nice, it started boiling. While we wait for the soup, we can make the eggs. Let's take an egg from the box. We'll crack it open and put it in our pan. We'll add some salt and wait until it's ready. All right, the egg is ready. Let's take it to the plate. Eggs are soft when we crack them open, and they're rich in protein. We can either boil them, fry them, or make delicious omelets with them. Let's get the sausage ready. We'll use red Play-Doh and shape it like a sausage.
Wow.
We'll make two.
Wow.
They look so cute. Now, let's fry them until they're golden brown.
Whoa.
let's make some cheese. We'll take our Play-Doh in a cheese shape. We'll squeeze it and voila! We have cheese. We'll make another one. Look, we've shaped it like a triangle. Let's put the cheese slices on our yellow plate. Cheese is so yummy. It's creamy and packed with calcium and protein, which help us have strong teeth and bones. Looks like the soup is ready too. We'll use a ladle to fill the plates. We'll also make some toast. We'll take our Play-Doh, put it in the squeezer, and squeeze it.
Wow.
And voila! We have toast. Toasts are shaped like rectangles. What else should we prepare? Oh, how about waffles? We can make waffles with this. We'll take our Play-Doh and put it inside. Now we'll squeeze tight. And here is our waffle. It's so beautiful. Now let's cut the fruit and make a fruit salad. First is a strawberry with a bright red color. Let's put them in the bowl. Here we go, a strawberry. Next, we'll cut the watermelon. A watermelon. We'll also cut the apple in half. An apple. A banana too. A banana. We'll also cut the pineapple too. A pineapple. And last but not least, the grapes. Grapes. Here we have the food for our feline friend in her small bowl. And for the end, let's make a beautiful, colorful cake. We'll make a red layer.
Wow.
Let's clean up the rest of the dough. A green one.
Wow.
A blue one.
Wow.
And a yellow one. And now the cherry on top. It's so pretty. Now we'll fill the table with the food we've prepared. The eggs, the sausages, the cheese, the soup. 1, 2, 3, 4. The toasts, the waffle, the fruit salad, and our beautiful cake. The table is filled with delicious food. It looks like our guests are having a blast and laughing. They look so happy, which makes me happy too. I hope you had fun preparing all this food with me. Of course, Kitty. We didn't forget you either.